And so we put it under profile 2 as test. So we'll call that profile 2 as test. A lot of people, they'll put a little cheat sheet up here and you can just type in the number that you want. So I think this one will only go to, yeah, it only has 15 profiles. And we can call in 15. So profile 1, and then we're gonna confirm. And then always check this out. It says it's ready for beans because it's at the warm-up temperature that we set it at. And that would be 407. Yes, 407 is whenever it says, that's whenever we started that roast.
Okay.
Okay, so we'll get some beans. We can leave that in there. That way we can kind of tell the difference. Now all you gotta do is hit just drop them in. Just, yep. There it goes, auto roasting.